Hello, Excel. My name is David Benaim, and I'm a Microsoft MVP for Excel. And I get given cool stuff like this T-shirt at a conference I went to a couple of years ago. So I love Excel so much. I have a YouTube channel about it, and I also blog about it. I create consulting solutions for organizations to do more with their Excel and data analytics. I do loads of webinars, and I even do stand-up comedy about Excel. So today I would like to talk to you about a product that I really love, which is called Stellar Repair for Excel. It's very often that you have some Excel files that get corrupt and can give you some really annoying errors like file is corrupt or file extension is not valid, etc., etc. But then you have no options. You can't really reopen it, and you have to often start again or recover an earlier version of the file. And although there are built-in methods within Excel and Windows to help you recover your file, it doesn't always work that well. Whereas this tool, which is called Stellar Repair for Excel, is available for $39, or if you pay $69, you can get it with reparation for Excel files, Word files, PowerPoint files, and PDF files. And it can work with all sorts of issues that might have happened. For example, an unexpected crash in your system, maybe your Windows crashes, maybe just your Excel crashes, maybe there is a sync issue with your OneDrive or SharePoint, maybe there's some file conversion issues, or maybe external links, which can cause a lot of problems in Excel. I tend to avoid them unless I use Power Query personally, and maybe if you download it, but it doesn't download in the complete or right way. Now, Excel's features that get fixed with the Stellar Repair for Excel tool include obviously the data itself and the formulas, also some more advanced things like the formatting, including conditional formatting, some charts, some pivot tables, some tables themselves, some queries if you're using Power Query, VBAs, macros, even shapes and images. All of these things get repaired with the Stellar Repair for Excel tool. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and you find the tool useful, because I definitely have, and it saved me a lot of time with my work.